For our 5-night sailing on the Norwegian Bliss, we stayed in a balcony cabin that ended up costing just under $1,400 for 3 people. We secured this through NCL's bidding system, upgrading from an inside room last minute for just $220 extra. Here's how the room actually held up. First, the beds are great. The pillows are plush, and more importantly, the walls are surprisingly soundproof. We didn't hear our neighbors once the entire trip, in part because the balcony doors were made of double-pane glass. The balcony itself is spacious and private. Inside, storage is everywhere. You have the main closet, but also clever nooks on both sides of the king bed and cabinets by the TV. You won't feel cramped with 3 people's gear. However, there are some drawbacks. By the bed, there are only USB-A ports, not a traditional wall socket, and in 2026, almost everything uses USB-C, so that's a bit of a letdown. Then there's the TV. It's really small, likely under 32 inches. It takes ages to turn on, and the channel selection is poor. Don't expect to catch ESPN or any major networks here. In fact, you'll see that many of the channels are limited to useless channels that are either not mainstream or consist of cruise-specific channels that replay on a loop. As for the bathroom, it's tight, especially around the sink. On the plus side, the shower water does get impressively hot, though we did deal with the drain that tended to clog. And your experience, though, might vary depending on the cabin that you book. Overall, I'm giving the balcony cabin on the Norwegian Bliss a letter grade of a B-. It's a solid, quiet place to sleep with great views, but the tech and bathroom layout could definitely use an update. If you enjoyed this video, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel, Lost in a Good Place. Thanks for watching.